Hey students, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2026 set 2 GA question number 2. A black square PQRS has been cut into two parts. One part of it is shown in panel 1. This is panel 1. Which one of the shape in panel 2 is the other part? This is panel 2. And it is asking which one from panel 2 will be fit in panel 1 picture. And 4 options are given. So that shape must be like this. Now picture 1, due to this thing, it will not fit. So this is wrong. Next picture 2, here due to this, and this should go a little longer. That's why it will not fit. Next 3, this will fit perfectly. It's in perfect shape match. Hence, this is correct. Now fourth one, first of all, this should go a little longer till this, and due to this will not fit. So answer will be option 3. That's present in C. I already discussed lots of general aptitude previous questions. Just go through general aptitude PYQ playlist. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.